PostOp Instructions on the day of receiving a crown. The day you have for your crown prep appointment, we prep the tooth and a temporary crown is put on. So there are some instructions that we give you on your way out. The main instructions are to avoid anything super sticky or crunchy on the side where your temporary crown is. So avoiding taffy, caramels, super crunchy foods like crusty breads or those hard sourdough pretzels. The other thing to do is be careful when flossing around your temporary crown. We ask that you floss down and then slide the floss out. So those are some tips when you have a temporary crown in. And if it does fall off, please call our office to come in so we can put it back on. We do want to protect that tooth. Thanks.